What you doing there? You want to know what my room look like, don't you? I know. What's good, y'all? So as you can see, if you read the title, this is a room tour. Y'all know we had to do a room tour, and we didn't do one in Milan because it was just Milan. But this one, we actually got a very, very nice room. We're staying at the Hyatt Centric, and let's get into this tour. As you can see, we have the door here. Okay, we have this nice closet layout. Right now we have our luggage there because y'all know this room is gonna get messy. It's just bound to happen. So we did put our luggage here. They have drawers and places where you put all your stuff. Then we open this. There is a mini bar here. I don't know how you open it. Oh, there we go. Oh. So we do have a mini bar. We do have a mini bar. We have a safe. Over here, we actually have the bathroom, which is very, very nice. I love the layout of the bathroom. The toilet is here. The bidet. You have the sink with this beautiful mirror. I wonder if there's a way, like, does this turn on? Ooh, I like. So, you have this mirror, and then you have your shower here as well with the rainfall. HGTV booth. Whatever. Then we have the living room. So you have this big, humongous mirror, which is honestly amazing. We also have this nice, lovely couch that I guess I read that it pulls out to bed, but we won't be doing that. We have a TV, some coffee. I don't know. But you know what? I don't mind because we're not going to be here anyway.
They probably do that on purpose because it's these windows.
Yeah, it's so big. True. You can open this up. I don't know how to open it, but you could definitely open it and get some fresh air. But we're going to close it because I think I just saw a girl come in.
Alright, y'all. So now that Psalms has done the whole downstairs area, now we're about to head upstairs and check out the bedroom. So, sorry if I got the sniffles a little bit, your boy got allergies. But we're about to head upstairs, and as you can see, we got some nice brown carpet on the floor. And the first thing you see when you walk up here is this nice little TV stand and a nice little TV to watch some stuff. So that's here, and then we come over to this comfortable bed, right? I'm not gonna jump in it because we just been traveling through the train and all that, so I'm not even gonna do that. But on both sides, we have some nice lamps, which look like the light switches are here. Oh no, that's over here. Okay, yeah, that's that light switch.
It's switches right there.
Oh, I can't even see it. Okay, yeah. So, what is all this? It's like 7 different switches. I'm not even gonna touch it.
Well, one probably controls y'all. This goes up and down. So,
get into that.
Oh, sorry.
I have a nice king size bed here, and then we're gonna get to the nice window that's gonna wake this one up when she's waking up at 10 o'clock. It's gonna wake her up at like 7 a.m., 6 a.m. So overall, this is a nice hotel. Looking down, you can see where we started at with the living room. So it's not nothing crazy, but it's definitely fire, definitely good for us. Nice little seating.
We're only here for 3 days.
Yeah, so we're in Venice for 3 days. We was in Milan for 4 nights. So finishing out the trip here. But other than that, I guess we'll head downstairs and close out this video.
Yeah. So we're back downstairs, as you can see. We are gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. Is this gonna go up before? This probably go up after.
No, it's probably gonna go up after the Venice vlog.
Yeah, so this will probably go up after the Venice vlog. So if you're watching this vlog and you haven't watched the last 2 vlogs, because we have a vlog for Milan and a vlog for Venice, stop what you're doing right now. and go watch those vlogs, and then come back right here and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications, because we don't post often, but when we do, it's bangers every single time.
Yeah, every single time. Oh my God.
What was that?
Okay, clearly we need to close out this video. And pro tip, if you stay here, don't keep that open for long, because you'll let gnats in.
It's trees and stuff right there. No, that wasn't no gnat. That was like...
Because it's flowers and stuff.
I don't know what that was.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this nice room tour. And like always, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.